Hey everybody, welcome to your next course here, International Business. I think all of you have been with me before, but I do these videos every week if you haven't been with me. And I just go over anything I find we need to do in the course. And also try and do a little bit of inspiration at the beginning here. Start out with my scenery. Also a reminder about, this weekend, Memorial Day weekend. So just a reminder on that. And I make observations on the way students, participate in the courses. So one of the things I always try to tell people is, you got to inspire yourself. You may not have anybody inspiring you or telling you to go, go get it and do it, but you have to be your own cheerleader in school. I mean, you just have to. Um, One of the common problems I see with students is about time. Students generally say they don't have enough time, and that's why they fall behind. Um, at this point, you're in, you're taking a level 400 course here, so you've been doing this a while. You may or may not had problems last term, and but this is a new beginning, so you got to figure out a way to make the time to do it. You gotta be stronger than the excuses you come up with. We all can come up with reasons why we don't get things done on time, we don't get assignments in, or whatever the case is. But um, you got to figure out a way to do it for yourself, and not just for school, but life. Jobs, family, everything. You gotta manage your time, figure out how to do the things you need to do. And one of the things I talk about here is like, did you spend 5 or 10 hours per course last week on your schoolwork? It is an expectation, requirement for every course. It's expected that students spend 10 or 20 hours a week on a course. I say 5 to 10 because that's more reality. But the only difference between doing an online course and going to a classroom is you get the flexibility of when you put the time in versus you have to be there on those 2 days or 3 days a week. And then plus you still got to do that so many hours. And, so the time you put in is still the same. You're still putting in this 10 hours a week or more. So, and you got to figure out why you're not doing that. If that's what the issue is in your particular case, why not? It's just something you got to do. If you're not doing good in courses, you're getting C's, you need to ask yourself this question: am I putting this much time in? If not, then that's part of it. I mean, habits and so forth. So anyway, just be your own cheerleader. Be inspired. Manage your time, and you'll be good to go. In the course here, International Business. Go in the homeroom here. You got your textbook there. You just click on there a couple times, get you into the textbook. It should be good there. We have a new. Actually, this course has a new. Where am I at here? New textbook. So yes, you got a new textbook this time. So let me see what else. Da, da, da. And then upcoming week here, you've got. We've got discussions. You've got 3 chapters, chapters 1, 2, and 3. It's got to do with globalization, national differences, politics, economics, and then we also got, what is this one? And more national differences. So we got a couple, So anyway, so you got those. You got your discussions, same as always. Wednesday, get that first one in, so our classmates have time to reply. Also reply to this. These videos I do every week, I would ask you to reply to them too. And then you got your quiz. You got a reaction paper. Reaction paper is just talking about what you learned this week. Like in chapters 1, 2, 3. So you'll have one of these every week. Starting in the second week, you'll also have a current event, so you'll have 2 assignments each week. And then you also have a final paper. So it's an exam, but it's in you got to write a paper. So make sure you go over that so you can see everything you need to do. And with that, this one's just under 5 minutes, so I'll leave it there. Again, welcome to the course. Good to see you again. I'll do my little test question here because I always do a test question to see if people watch the video. So I got the two grandkids here. You let me know what you think is going on there. So with that, I'll let you go. Have a great week. If you need anything, get in touch. You can always get in touch with me. You text me, call me, or do the message system. So that'll do it. Take care, and again, have a good week.